Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the cinema guiding light furniture recipe in Heartopia. So during this spring season, Heartopia has a special event that called Dreamlight Cinematic, and at this event you can get the lots of cool rewards from the battle pass like this. One of them is cinema guiding lights like this, and to unlock this recipe, this furniture recipe, you must reach level 45. But first you need to level it up, and to level it up, you need to collect festival points. This one that you can get from the town festival catalogs, town festival limited collections rewards, resident request rewards. And after that, make sure you to keep doing the event tasks until you reach this level. And once you finally reach this level, the cinema guiding lights will automatically unlock, and after that, you can just go to your workbench and you can just craft it anytime. And okay, that's how you can get the cinema guiding lights in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!